day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm standing in front of our super cute new wallpaper that we put on the wall behind our TV. It's not like explicitly Christmas, but like it's been on our to-do list for a while because I sort of felt like we couldn't decorate until it was up, and we're having guests, my family's coming for Christmas, so I wanted to get it up before they arrived. And now that our tree is done, it all feels, it's like not, yeah, like I said, it's not like inherently Christmassy, but it kind of has like, you can like make it a Christmas vibe. So yeah, that's what Kay and I did this morning. It's now around noon. Tonight I'm hosting virtual knit night with my Slack channel. So I'm really excited about that. And I'm gonna make dinner beforehand, and it's gonna be like this pasta Italian sausage dish from The Art of Cooking. The Art of Simple Food. I'll post it later, but so that's what's on the agenda. But for right now, I'm just thoroughly enjoying my really rad wallpaper before we have to move the TV back, and I can't stand in front of it anymore. So I'm pretty sure I need to also rinse the skeins that I mordanted yesterday. I need to eat first and see how my energy levels are. And yeah, that's what's going on today. Everyone say hi for Vlogmas. Hi. Time to go for a walk. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Can you hit your bells? Hit your bells. Hit your bells. Come here. Hit your bells. Good girl. Okay, let's go.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Asher kidshanu b'mitzvotov v'tzivanu lahad likner shel Chanukah.
Oh no!
Oh no,
the heater!
Stop!
Oh no!
Ay, ay, ay.
Ah! Well.
No. We gotta move it.
So I am freshly showered, and after doing the wallpaper, I was so sleepy. It was like a lot more work than I thought it would be. We put up wallpaper behind our TV at our place in Boston, and I bought self-adhesive wallpaper thinking that it was also like a big sticker that you could peel and stick, but it was like water activated. So the instructions that it came with said to put it in a bathtub, and I think both Kay and I were just like super intimidated. So we've been procrastinating about it, but it's up. It looks super nice. I'm really happy with it. We ran out a little bit at one end. I didn't realize the pattern repeat was so big that we wouldn't be able to like piece the remaining pieces together. Like, we did have enough to fit that space, but like the pattern repeat was just like really off. So I might have to buy like one more piece of it, which is kind of annoying, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. And then after that, even though I was really trying not to, I was like, I think I need to take a nap. And I did for like an hour and a half. So that was nice. And then I woke up and had to like scramble to put together dinner before knit night with all my Slack channel, which was super nice. And during that, I finished my second pair of Christmas socks. So these are all done. All the ends are woven in. And now I just have one more pair before that collection of projects is done. Yeah, so Kay went to go get some whiskey so that we can have whiskey and eggnog because we didn't manage to do that yesterday. And we're gonna settle in for a Christmas movie and some whiskey eggnog. So yeah, I hope y'all had a nice Friday too, and I will see you tomorrow.